of the DTC Media. Hope everyone had a great first day. Let's check in with the weather team to see what the forecast is.
Hi, I'm Carson, your meteorologist for today, reporting for DTC Media. Let's look at the daily forecast for today. It will be a rainy day with a high of 82 and a low of 78. Better bring your umbrella. There is a 80% chance of rain throughout the day. How's it out there, Isabel?
Thank you, Carson. Obviously, it's raining here on the Eckerd College campus in St. Pete. Watch out, boaters. It looks like the waters are going to be a little choppy and rough today. Low tide will be at 3:53 p.m. and high tide will be at 10:13 p.m. This has been Isabel Stoker for DTC Media, reporting your local weather. Now let's hand it over to Abigail for our tropical storm update. Take it away, Abigail!
Okay, thanks, Isabel. Tropical Depression 1 is no more. Overnight, Tropical Depression 1 strengthened to Tropical Storm Tip. Tip has wind speeds in excess of 55 miles per hour. Tip is located at approximately 12 degrees north, 55 degrees west. This is Tip's expected path. It's expected to move through this area within the next couple of days. I have placed hurricane warnings for Grenada all the way to St. Martin, Haiti, Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico and Jamaica. Y'all are still under tropical storm watches. All of the Caribbean islands, as well as the Gulf Coast, need to be on alert as Tropical Storm Tip continues to track northwest. This has been Abigail Collard reporting for DTC Media. Now over to Elena with tomorrow's forecast.
Thanks, Abigail. We'll have to keep an eye out for Tropical Storm Tip. Meanwhile, let's take a look at tomorrow's weather. We will be looking at another wet and stormy day with scattered thunderstorms and a 60% chance of rain, with a high of 88 and a low of 79. So pack your ponchos and umbrellas tomorrow for another wet and stormy day. I'm Elena Burton, reporting from Eckerd College. Stay tuned.
Thanks, weather team. Now we have Nicholas with an interview. How's it going, Nick?
Thank you, Emily. I'm doing great. I am here with Miss Brooke, and I have a couple questions to ask her. First, is it difficult being a meteorologist?
Well, Nick, sometimes it can be difficult. We usually report day-to-day weather, or sometimes we track significant storms that are out in the Gulf.
My second question would be, what kind of instruments do you use?
We use several instruments here in meteorology. In fact, our students this week are making weather kits. One item in their weather kit is a barometer. We've made one this week using a glass tube, a latex balloon, and a straw. We will set it outside and measure the air pressure. As the air pressure increases, the balloon will inflate and the straw will rise up. Another instrument that we use here in meteorology is an anemometer. It is an instrument that measures the wind speed and the wind pressure. In meteorology, we also use a thermometer. A thermometer measures the air temperature. When air around the tube heats the liquid expands and moves up the tube.
My final question, Miss Brooke, is are you worried about Hurricane Tip at all?
I actually am worried. Here in our room we have a weather tracking chart. It's actually a hurricane chart from NOAA, and we tracked it overnight and it is now increased to a tropical storm with winds reaching up to 55 miles per hour. And if you'll stay tuned to DTC Weather, they can give you some more information later.
Thank you, Miss Brooke. This is Nicholas Sejo from DTC Media. Now back to you, Emily.
Thanks for tuning in for DTC Media. This is Emily. Good night.